Assalamu alaikum dear students. Next we solve the very interesting numerical how we can find out density, molarity and mole fraction of water from mass of the water, that is a solvent, from the mass of the sulfuric acid, that is the solute, and volume, total volume of the solutions. Three things are given and four things to be answered. We solve this problem step by step. First of all, how we can find out the density of the solution. To find out the density, we know that the formula of density, mass divided by with volume. Mass mean total mass, solvent plus solute. Mass of water is 95.9 gram and mass of sulfuric acid 10.66 gram. The total mass of solvent and solute is 106.6 gram and total volume of solution is 100 ml. So simple. Divide the total mass, that is 106.6 gram, divided by 100. Density is 1.066 gram per ml. Next, how we can calculate molarity. For the purpose of molarity, we know that molarity is the number of moles of solute divided with the liter of solutions. Now first of all, we will find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid. And how we can find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid? We know that if we wanted to find out the number of moles, we must divide the mass of the sulfuric acid with its molar mass. Mass over molar mass it is known as number of moles. 10.66, that is the mass of sulfuric acid. 98, that is the molar mass of sulfuric acid. And number of moles of sulfuric acid 0.1087 moles. Next, solution volume of solution is given 100 ml. We change this volume into liter by dividing 1000, that is a 0.1 liter. Because for the molarity purpose, always change your solution into liter. Okay, then number of moles of solute divide with the solution in liter. The molarity of sulfuric acid 1.087 molar. Next, how we can find out the molality? We already discussed in the previous videos that for the purpose of molality, number of moles divided with the mass of solvent in kg, and we know that solvent is water. So mass of water is 95.94 gram. Change this gram into kilogram by dividing 1000. Then number of moles of solute is the sulfuric acid we have already calculated in previous step, and we can find out the molality by dividing the number of moles of sulfuric acid with the mass of water in kg. Molality is 1.133 molar. Okay, next, at last step, how we can find out the mole fraction of water? We know that to find out the mole fraction, divide the number of moles of the water with the total number of moles. Okay, total number of moles of water is find out. How we can find out number of moles? The molar mass of the water is 18 gram per mole. 95.98 gram divided by 18.015. You can simply write the 18 gram per mole. The number of moles of water is 5.32 mole. Mole fraction and number of moles are same things. Okay, that's the answer of this numerical. I hope that you understand easily. In next video we will solve the and other problems. Thank you very much.